Hi, Mama.
Come to Mama.
Mama, love you.
I'll always love you.
Presents for you.
Thank you. All's well that ends well.
Happy Mama's Day.
The real gift egg is family.
We love you.
I love you so much.
Thank you.